Hello, welcome to another Eagle6 Airsoft video. We're just going to be quickly testing this MK18 Ngrs. So this one has had, we've done the Magpul CTR stock at the back there. We've obviously hollowed the butt pad for a 7.4 Lipo, which you can see on there. We've also fit the PTS FDE grip. And then obviously it's got the standard MK18 rail, so obviously it's a lovely replica. So hopefully you like the look. And we've installed the Gate Titan Basic. We've exchanged that for the warhead that was on the specification. We thought the Gate Basic would give you a better time for your money, if you know what I mean, so and performance than just fitting the motor alone. Obviously that removes all the mechanical trigger sets and moves you over to electric trigger, which is obviously much more reliable and obviously removes the possible chance of mechanical lockups. We've got the Laylax pin on the side here. We've got the M100. We've installed the Psionic #7 R-hop kit. We've got the Prometheus 280mm wide cut barrel. We've got the Prometheus straight Sigma trigger, which is that one there, which you can see. So slightly different trigger there, and obviously all the other parts that I've talked about. We've built the gun around 3.2 ammo, and we're just ready for testing, just to make sure everything's all good. As you can see there, it's got no problem with rate of fire on the standard TM motor. Obviously it's a motor that's designed to be somewhere between high speed and high torque, and obviously the combination of the MOSFET that gives you a 20% boost in overall performance, that is clearly flying on that 1300 battery. I mean, it's almost too quick. If we were to fit bigger batteries like 2600s and stuff, we might start getting into problems there, but because the CTR stock is limited and we do a lot of our builds around the 7.4 1300 milliamp capacity battery, obviously the rate of fire is brought down, and therefore everything goes all right. But yeah, if you put faster batteries on, it could be problems. So. Yeah, obviously it's a level 3 build, so eventually those gears will give up the ghost. It could be years, so it could be 5 years. It could be 5 months, I never quite know with the original TM gears. On the 3.2s that we're doing testing on, and yeah, as you can see there, so no jams, good feeding, excellent stuff. So yeah, hopefully you like the look of the gun. I could repeat this build all day long. It's just a beautiful looking replica, and yeah, it's just great. So yeah, so we hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. I'll put the build specification in the description for the video. I'll send you over any final invoicing, and hopefully we can get this posted out to you today. Thank you.